O Allah, thank you for these blessings. Grant us peace in this life and the hereafter.
Bismillah.
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 Let's eat. Try some of this honey, it's delicious.
We're all here together, let's enjoy.
Yes, thank you for breakfast. And you, my boy, want more? Goodbye. See you later. Let's go. Okay, okay. Race you home. I'm faster. No, I am. Race you home. You're on. Look, it's almost there. We're almost home. The water is so cold and refreshing. Look at it sparkle in the sunlight. Just right for washing up. Yes, here you go. Keep scrubbing.
The food is ready. Please help yourselves.
It smells amazing, Dad. Bismika Allahumma amutu wa ahya.